Hello students, welcome to Praishu Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class. Subject Intelligent Test and the topic is series symbol. Through some examples we are going to understand the exactly symbolic series, or we can say the symbols sequence. Okay, so sequence or series. So what exactly the concepts or logic behind this one? Okay, so here in this series the symbols or the group of the symbols are given. Okay, like previous one there are the figures or some numbers also. Okay, but now in this one the symbols means it may be like a star. Okay, it may be triangle, it may be square, then it may be question mark also, or suppose means any symbolic form. Okay, even number also sometimes mentioned, but that is in symbolic, consider as a symbols. Okay, like this one, or suppose there is a square, a circle. Okay, like this one, or some alphabets also, but that should be considered as a symbol because other cells also comes in a symbolic forms. But that symbols are comes in something group, or we can say something individually, but that have some sequence. Okay, sequence means a series, and that sequence or series we have to understand. And as per this one, the missing terms. Okay, the missing terms we have to find out from the options. There are the four options given, and from the four options we have to choose the perfect one which can be fulfilled, or we can say the fit in the order correctly. Order means the series or sequence order. Okay, that is a something order we can say, or that is a something sequence. Okay, continuity. So that has to be continued. So as per this one we have to choose the perfect options, so that that sequence or that logic will be continued. Okay, so for this one, observe the directions or movement of the symbols. Okay, sometimes the symbols are moving first, like this one. Suppose this is a, these are the three groups, okay, of the symbols, and this is a next sequence. This is comes the first one. Okay, means right to the left. Okay, and in again the next, this end will be the comes again the first. Okay, and in again in the next step that will comes the first, means every symbol comes the first in a next step, like this one. This is the some just example. Okay, but for the concept or understanding logically we will see some examples. Okay, through the some examples we will clarify the exactly logic of the symbols. For this one, just understand the movement, or we can say the directions of the symbols, whether they are the putting, or where they are shifting, or where they are moving their movement. Okay, even instead of the movement, sometimes the change in the number. Okay, sometimes previously there is a one quantity, in the next step there is a two quantity, or we can say there's something different. Okay, times that is increasing. So that increasing of these symbols, or we can say the decreasing of the symbols, that has to be understand. Okay, and the next is the when the group are not in given. Okay, if suppose there is a no group, okay, individually something symbols are given, then make a group of continuing the numbers. Okay, then we have to understand something group is there. Okay, means particularly this group. Okay, completely, and we have to understand whether in this complete group what is the behavior of the symbols. Behavior means that is a moment. Okay, so that moment we have to understand. As per this one, the same sequence or same logic we have to continue. So this is very simple. Okay, like previously we have seen the figures. Okay, so let's take some examples. Okay, and through the examples we will understand what exactly the logic behind this topic. Okay, so there are the total 15 questions, and there is a common directions. Which group of symbols which occur at the place of the question mark? So there is always be question mark in a last one. Okay, and there are some terms are given. Okay, with a separating with comma. So every term has something symbols. Okay, and from the first term to the next term, the symbols are getting increase or decrease or something. Now in this one, in this question one, now these are the three. Okay, p, b and d, and next term something quantity has increased. Okay, each quantity has increased from 1 to 2. Okay, here p is one quantity, here two quantity, like this one. In the next term, here also the next means third term, like this one. Okay, so there are the 2 to 3 quantity. Okay, b also 3 quantity. So now every time the quantity is getting increases by the 1. of the symbols. Okay, so what will be the come at the question mark? So here the 3, here 2, and here 1 means 1 2 3. So here should be the 4 quantities, and now 4 quantities is given in option number 3. If you see the option number 4, there is the P and B, B and the D positions are interchanged. Okay, but should we take care that the position of the symbol should not be changed, because in these three terms is there any position change? No, so we should not be changed. If there is a position change, then that position also we have to understand. Okay, but now here only the quantity increasing, so that's why we have to continue that quantity increasing. Okay, and this quantity increasing means from 3 to 4. 4 means P4, then B4, and the D4 times. Okay, so this is given in option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct one. Okay, so like this one we have to understand, and we have to find out the all the questions logic, and then we have to find out the correct options which can be fit or which can be replaced to the question mark. Okay, now question number 2. Here the something symbols. Okay, and the quantity is 1. Okay, now in this one the 2 quantity, here the 3 quantity, now 4 quantity means 1 2 3 4. So here must be the 5 quantity which can be replaced to the question mark. So 5 are given in option number 3. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 3. Here 2 stars we can say, and then 5 triangles. In the next group, 2 to 3 stars means plus 1. Okay, and here 5 stars here, so here 1 decreasing. Okay, here the plus 1, here minus 1. Okay, after this one again in a star addition of the 1 is okay, and then in a triangles there is a decreasing of the 1. Okay, so again in the next one there should be the plus 1 quantity in a star means there should be the 4. Okay, I just write out in the quantity. Okay, and here in a triangle there is a minus 1 means now 3 to 3 minus 1 means here the 2. Okay, so 4 star and the 2 triangle. So 4 star and the 2 triangle means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 4. Here some 4 symbols are given, and 4 symbols are in a one group. Okay, here also one group, here also one group. Now 1 2 and 3 terms are there. Okay, so in these terms something sequence we have to find out, and that sequence has to be continued to replace the question mark from the given correct options. Now here star. Okay, in the next term star from first term first place to the directly third place. Okay, means that's move to the here. Okay, and the something symbols is here. Okay, the like a leaf that comes to the first. Okay, means the star and this leaf, this symbol, two symbols are interchanging. Okay, but this circle with positive sign and this trapezoidal, okay, these are the same positions. Okay, so these two positions are interchanging of these symbols. Okay, in next terms also the changing. So what should be the next? So these two should be equally places. Okay, means second number and the fourth number. So second number this figures. Okay, and the fourth number these figures, so that should be here. Okay, and here not. Okay, so only the option number 3 is correctly find outing these two terms, and after this one the interchanging of the star and this leaf. So leaf should be at the first, so here, and the star should be at the third. Okay, so if you see the three terms, then we will find out the correctly sequence of this logic in option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct one. Okay, only these two terms are getting interchanged. Okay, and these two terms are at the fixed position. Okay, this is the logic. Then next question number 5. Triangle, then small circle and the cross. Now in this one the triangle is moving to the right of the end. Okay, or we can say the right first or left end, and then these two terms are comes to the forward. Okay, so in the next terms after the triangle is at the right first end, so two these symbols means circle and the cross are moving first. Okay, it is to the toward the left side. After this one the circles move to the end. Okay, so for this question mark replacing this cross should be at the end. Okay, so means starting from the triangle, then circle, and then star. So triangle, circle, and then star means option number 2 correct. Now question number 6. There are the two circles two triangles and two squares. Okay, means there are the small group here, here group, and here group, means three groups in a one terms. Okay, now this group is at the square at the end of the from the left side. Okay, that moves to the first. Okay, and these two groups are moved to the toward the right side. Okay, like this, these are the, we can say, the logic. Okay, so these stars are from move to the left side. Okay, now here in the next term that comes to the first in the left side. Okay, now this triangles group is moving to the first of the left side, means for the next group or for the next terms. So triangles groups and then this square group and then circle group. Okay, so like this one, the four terms should be with starting with these two circles. Okay, so two circles groups will be moved to the first. Okay, so starting from the circles means option number 3, and then this triangles group and then this square group. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 7, this cross, then circle, then triangle, and then square. If you see this one, the triangle and these circles, these two are interchanging, but the cross and the squares, cross and the squares, cross and the squares, these two terms are always be fixed. Okay, means respectively cross and the square are from the left side first and the end. Okay, but interchanging only in these two symbols. Okay, here also after interchanging. So after this one, the correct option should becomes starting with the cross. Okay, starting with the cross, and then after this one the triangles, after this one the triangles means option number 3 and option number 1. Okay, and then circle, after this one circle means option number 3 only. So option number 3 perfectly matching with this series. Now question number 8, there are the 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 quarters of the circles. Okay, and after this one the ones making the shaded. Okay, but the shaded portions are always be changing from this clockwise direction. Okay, means this is moving to the this shade. Okay, and then after this one it's moved to the again the one step ahead. Okay, so if you see this rotation clockwisely, so this should move to the this side, means this in the next one this quarter should be shaded portion, and this one is given in option number 2. Now question number 9, triangle, then square, circle, and then star. Now in the next term the star is replacing to the square. Okay, and the square is replacing the position with the stars. Okay, after this one this terms comes and this star again moving to the squares position, and square positions move to the star position, means interchanging only between the these two terms, means star and the circles, star and the square. Okay, but parallelly square, this triangle and the circle, these two are also interchanging. Okay, now triangle in this third position, and in the next term that comes the first, here the triangle come, here the triangle in first position and it comes to the third position. So these two are in a group and these two are in a group but interchanging the positions. Okay, so after the star moving to the next terms in the third position, and in the third terms it comes to the first. So in the next one, so it should be the starting with the circle. Okay, so starting with circle means option number 3 is perfectly matching. After this one the star is changing to the square position, so second number should be the star, and then this triangle is changing to the circle's position, means it should be the in a third position, and then this square is changing to the star's position, means square should be at the last one. Okay, so means these two terms and these two terms are interchanging. So after these terms the option number 3 should be the correct answer. Now question number 10, two signs of the positive signs. Okay, then two square sign question mark signs, and then two divisions. So in these terms, in these three terms, if you see the square question marks are always be in the middle, it should not be changed their position. Okay, but the interchanging only between the this addition symbols and the division symbols. Okay, so as per this ones the next term should be starting with the division symbols. Okay, and then this question mark and then this addition marks, means option number 3 is perfectly matching with the series. Question number 11, there is a some rectangular and inside that one the triangle and the dot is there. If you see all the terms, this triangle is moving like a clockwise direction. Okay, so with a dot, so after these terms it is a horizontal, means moving like this one, so it should be the horizontal and the dot should be at the top, means option number 3 is perfectly matching. Now question number 12, so if you keenly observe all the terms, means this is a one group term, first term, then second term, and then third term. So four terms we have to find out. So these three terms, if you keenly observe, the triangle is always be at the middle. Okay, it is not changing its position, but the symbol which is at the first from the left side is moved to the end. Okay, for the next term, and the symbols which are at the end one, or we can say at the middle one also, that is moved to the just one place to the left side. Okay, but the triangle always be at the middle. Okay, means this cross is moving to the this side and this positive moving with one side, but the first one should be comes at the last one. So as per this one, if you see the option number 1, the cross is at the end, and this triangle at the middle, and this positive signs just moving ahead, and this circle with a positive signs crossing the triangle and it move to the left side, means like this one, and this negative signs comes to the first position, means left side first. So option number 1 is the perfectly matching with this series. Now question number 13, plus sign, then triangle, then inside the circle there is a plus sign and then square. So now if you see, square is moving to the first from the left side for the next terms. Okay, after this one, so positive signs comes to the end. Okay, so again if we see, the positive signs again move to the first one for the next terms, and this square is moving to the end one here also. But if you see, after this one, the symbols which is at the middle one, means this triangle and the positive sign inside the circle, they are always be in the middle one. Okay, but only changing their internal positions. Okay, means only replacing with each others. Okay, the positions means in a, for the next terms there should be the triangle in the right side, and then symbol in a positive side, circles with the positive sides that comes to the left sides, means option number like 2. Okay, and this square should be comes to the first left side, and then positive sign should be comes at the end one, means option number 2 is a perfectly matching with the series. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 14, so there is a some trapezoid, then circle, then triangle, and then half circle. If you see, every symbols come to the left side first, and all the symbols are keeping same. Okay, and again this in the next terms, that this last symbol again come to the first one. Okay, again for this one the circle should be comes to the first one, but all the symbols just move to the right side. Okay, so it should be starting with the circle, means option number 2. After this one the triangle, then half circle, and then trapezoid, means option number 2 is a perfect. Now question number 15, star first and then star at the first position, means star should be at the first, means option number 4. After this one, the swastik symbol also at the last from the left side. Okay, it should be, and then this circle and the triangles, these only two terms are interchanging their positions. Okay, means circle triangle, then triangle circle, again circle triangle. So for the next one, triangle circle, means option number 4 is perfectly matching with our series. Okay, thank you.